Hey guys, Brett with Complete Trailers. We are talking about an Intech 30-foot belly lift stacker that we're going to show you the ins and outs on here in just a moment. But I wanted to point out, it's a project that kind of hit close to home here because it was built for Jeremy Stevens, who owns Shine Supply in Ventura, California. Now, Shine Supply is an awesome company with amazing values, and they produce automotive, RV, and boat detailing products. So if you're in the need for any product like that, make sure you check those guys out. Amazing company. And this is a really important project for Jeremy and his family, and we were just super honored to be part of this project. But we're gonna check that out right here. Couple of notes on this trailer: 21,000 pound GVWR, triple 7,000 pound axles, empty weight of 9,660 pounds, which gives you a cargo capacity of 11,340 pounds. Should be plenty for a couple of sand cars or side-by-sides, which is what this trailer is designed for. Beautiful build by Intech, white exterior, blackout package, just a stunning look. And a 30-foot, so it's got plenty of space. We're going to take a look at here in just a moment. On the exterior, 12-volt awning that you'll see, docking lights that illuminate the rear of the trailer as you're backing up. There's a stereo system with speakers on the inside and the outside, as well as 12-volt lighting on the outside. We call those scene lights, gives you nice illumination for at night. These Alcoa wheels are stunning. They are expensive, I will tell you that, but they are beautiful, and it matches many coaches, for example, a Renegade motorhome. Keyless entry was a nice feature on this particular unit as well. There's a slide-out step underneath the trailer, obviously an entrance door that's available 36, 48-inch wide. Fueling station, you can get that in a 40 or an 80-gallon fueling station, and that is awesome when you're out in the sand dunes or in the desert and you want to fuel up. You've got your pump right there. It's just run off of a 12-volt battery. There's a nice storage box in the front for straps and whatever else you want to put on the inside. Beautiful anodized black stone guard on the front, and of course just your regular 2 5/16 coupler and a hydraulic jack on the outside. The side of the trailer, on the driver's side, there's a generator compartment with a slide-out tray for the generator. And that's really handy if you wanted to add an aftermarket generator. You can just slide it out when you're running it. That's preferred. There's a nice light bar as well as a backup camera and stainless steel header. We've got recessed cam locks here that are keyed, angled LED lights, tail lights in the rear, and just a ramp door that flips down with a aluminum flap at the very end that's 18 inches long. Now, walking into the entrance door, there's a door caddy hanging on the door that comes in really handy with aerosol cans. Beautiful cabinets in the front with drawers, overhead cabinets, LED lighting underneath, puck lights underneath, or we call those bullet lights. We added some rugged race radios. These are all things that we helped work through with the customer. You can see these really nice slide-out drawers that come in super handy. There is a ladder entering up into the attic area through a hatch in the attic. And of course, your light switch panel here, awning in and out control there as well, and your belly lift. Now the belly lift has a pulley on either side, which allows you to use your winch, and you can bring the winch cable up and over the belly lift without damaging the lift platform. Obviously there's receptacles throughout the trailer, and really nice blackout package. You can see the carpeting up top, LED light here once again on the belly lift, on the platform. You know, the carpeting up here that I mentioned with airline track that runs the perimeter. There's a spare tire, again Alcoa wheel, and really nice tie-down straps, strapping available wherever you see that airline track. The LED lights in the ceiling with speakers that I had mentioned before, and the carpeting on the wall that prevents dings and scuffs on the walls with airline track just at the top of that carpeting. E-track in the floor. E-track could be seen as a little bit more heavy duty. There are some compartments in the floor that you're going to see here, and that's where your pump and your batteries are housed, and keeps them out of the way and frees up your cabinet space. Hey, if you've got a custom project, reach out to us. We're professionals. Chances are you might even be talking to me if you're calling about a custom project for your needs. We've got nationwide shipping at very competitive rates. The trailers come out of the same place. So why would you trust building your custom project with a company that just doesn't know the ins and outs of custom ordering like we do? We've got 3 locations, Colorado, Texas, California, and we are here for you. So give us a shot. And if you like what you're seeing here with this content, there's more of that coming. We're going to show you more off-road stuff, more custom projects. It's coming down the pipe. Stay tuned for more content to come.